packed my gear at morning light. The Jeep was gassed and ready. The trail ahead was washed in gold. The wheel was firm and steady, with hills to climb and streams to cross beneath an open sky, and lunch to cook the old way on the Manifold Bone Drive. The CJ7 rattled soft like banjo strings in motion. Through mud and dust and scrub and rust, we roll like some old ocean. No diner waits on ridgelines high, no taverns on the rise, just beans and rice and engine heat and hunger in my eyes. So roll on with your cylinders singing that stovetop hum and the trail ahead ringing, with a foil-wrapped dream and a whispering sky and the scent of a manifold apple pie. At noon I stopped beside a pine where shadows kept me shaded. Unwrapped the burrito, steaming true, with flavors time had aided. No match was struck, no fire built, just heat from work and ride, and iron warmed the soul in me as much as what's inside. Then came the pie, all tucked in tight, with apples sliced and folded, a pinch of spice, a crust of hope, in tin and foil molded. It cooked beneath the hood there, while gears turned slow and sly, and every mile grew sweeter with the smell of setting pie. So roll on, with your cylinders singing that stovetop hum and the trail ahead ringing, with a foil-wrapped dream and a whispering sky and the scent of a manifold apple pie. You can have your kitchen counters, your aprons clean and white, but give me roads that twist and turn and stars that fill the night. A simple meal from travel's flame, where nothing comes too fast, and engines bake the memories that stick around and last. So roll on, old Jeep, through the sandstone and pine, through hunger and wonder, through dust and through time, with a belly half full and a glint in my eye, and the taste of a manifold apple pie.